Here, my tool. It's just, I've wanted one of these since I was a boy, really.
Hi everybody, so we're at Monkey Bay Marina and this week's episode is all about where we are with the work, what we've decided to do first, a little bit of insight into how things are going with those jobs. We had a fantastic welcome here as well, absolutely brilliant, which we'll show you in the video as well. Really, really nice, great community here. Not everybody's here, not everybody's on their boats, but people that we've met here have been really brilliant. Hope you enjoy the video. We are Steve, Annette and Gus, and this is our beautiful Venus 46 Ketch. We've just sailed 1,500 miles to Guatemala to start a major refit on Cordelia. We'd love you to stay with us to see how we progress on our 42-year-old home.
One of the jobs on the Guatemalan refit list was to play around with our 240 volt wiring on the boat, but it's come to the top of the list because we've arrived and tried to plug into shore power and it's just not working, and we've bought a second-hand air conditioning unit that we want to be able to use, and at the moment without the 240 we can't charge the batteries, we can't run the aircon, we can't run the dehumidifier. So it's forced me into the first job is playing around with the wiring. Anyway, a conventional system has 3 wires, has an earth wire, a live wire and a neutral wire. That's a conventional kind of system that we're sort of used to. I've known for a long while, ever since we bought Cordelia, that the wiring on this boat was done by a magic wizard in Thailand. He was a magic wizard because they managed to find a cable which has got lots of wires. So it has an earth wire, a little itty bitty earth wire, and then every other wire is black. And some of these wires were used as neutrals and some of these wires were used as lives. It sort of worked, and I sort of knew it needed to be done, and I sort of put it to the back of the queue for about 17 years. And we have plugged into shore power before, but this shore power, every time we plugged into it, our RCD would trip out. So there was no way that we were going to get it to work, so I bit the bullet and pulled this out. In effect, we're starting again to run a new system. It's very simple. We haven't got a lot of sockets. It's not like rewiring a house. It's just being a boat, you've got to go through bulkhead and then through this bulkhead and through that, but it's just like faffing around, whereas in a house it's a bit easier. Say it will take a day, take a week. So I've been ripping wiring out and kind of starting from sort of scratch again. So the first big job is done. The electrics, I've changed it from the old Thailand wiring where it was multiple wires that was in. For anybody who knows a bit about electrics, it was just like a radial wire system. So from the main point it all came out to each of the sockets, and we've only got 3. This is now a conventional ring main. So wire comes in, wire comes out, like a smaller version of what you get in a house. So it comes from the source out to the socket, to the next socket, to the next socket, to the next socket, back to the source again, creates a ring. So now, by getting that done as the first job, we can now put the battery charger on, so we're on shore power and we can charge the batteries, and we can use the aircon at night, because as you can see, I'm a little bit drippy.
It's our second night here, and one of the guys that's actually kind of running the marina for a few days has organised a pizza night in well, for us, just to say hello to us.
Yeah, it's really nice. So we're off to a place called Sundog
to welcome us to the marina, which is really nice. So that's where we're off to now, and going to have a lovely pizza.
Maybe 2 weeks ago.
One more YouTuber.
Oh yes. Need short night. Yeah, Claire, you have to take care of the birds. All right. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh, you ready?
And the inside.
Yeah. Wait a little bit more. Good that it's not this.
Starting out at 40 points.
Yeah.
We very quickly learned the Monkey Bay community are a fabulous bunch of sailors, and like most sailors are willing to celebrate anything, even us coming to the marina.
They can't do the drunk now.
And they're hoping that's
Brilliant night. Brilliant.
We started on the first of the hatches, so we've got 4 hatches to replace and 17 portholes. It's the first one. Obviously we're going to learn it as I go along. Can't be that hard, can it? Can you try it, Gus, please? See, my tool. It's just... I've wanted one of these since I was a boy, really. Always got to be one, hasn't there?
Here it goes.
My son Ryan got me these in Canada. I've used them and used them and used them and used them and used them.
It's off.
Have the new one in, boy.
Well, it says 2 hours. You should be able to do it in 2 hours. Take one off and put one on.
I've only been at it for
20 minutes and yeah, another hour and 40 minutes and we'll have the new one in, working.
probably going to need sunglasses for the new one, as that's the old one. That's going to be the new bit, really.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
It'll look even better when the wood's done properly.
It's hot here. So this is the ideal time, right at the beginning of our refit in Guatemala, and this is the second big project. Is we're not doing a how-to. This is just how I do it, how we do it. So come along for the journey. Hopefully you pick up some tips. I've got to learn stuff as I go on some of this. It's just how we do it. So it's not a how-to, it's a how we do it. And that goes for all of the refit stuff. Some of it we're using professionals that we can get locally, and some of it I want to do myself just because I enjoy it. And if you want to come down to Guatemala and give us a hand, and you're prepared to put up with 99% humidity and losing fluid faster than you can put it into your body, and spiders and snakes. There was a snake in the electric box the other day. I didn't see it because I don't like snakes, but there was apparently they said it was a little one. It was only 3 foot long. I'd hate to see a big one.
We need to show you some of the things that we're going to be doing over the next few weeks, months, hopefully not years. No, it won't be years.
Years.
Right at this moment I need to make a mosquito net for the companionway there and for our hatches, because we can't have them open in the evening because the bugs get in, which we did have one last night. Had a bloody flying cockroach in there, it was revolting. And yeah, it's just so hot, we need them open until Steve can get them replaced. All joking apart, I can't move the t-shirt because it's stuck to me. I am so hot, I'm dripping. Anyway, I'm nearly at the end of the first mosquito net for the companionway. I've made it up, made the design up. I've absolutely no idea, but I have got some pole I'll show you in a moment once I've done what I think is going to work. We'll see.
As long as it keeps the mosquitoes out, that's alright. We've got no electric at the moment.
Flipping God's sake.
Language, Timothy.
I've just finished the mosquito net and this is it. It's a very nice, simple, oh, you can see Steve through it. So yeah, it's just attached behind the companionway door there, here, and then it hangs down there. So that for the last couple of nights has kept all the mosquitoes out. You complete dick.
I was pretending to be a mosquito.
In the meantime, normal marina life continues with new arrivals every couple of days, and whilst we are refitting Cordelia, we still have the normal weekly things to do, like making water.
Nothing in it.
But I can't read nothing.
It's taking everything out.
Oh my god, this is incredible. So because we're in brackish water, salt and fresh water, but more fresh than salt water at the moment. And because of that, the water maker is making water so fast that we can't, we're filling up the bottles, we can't move the bottles around quick enough. We have to hold on to the actual hose bit, the pipe bit, because it's going mad. Oh, it's going mad. It's the pressure. The pressure is so hard and fast that we're having to keep hold of it. So anyway, Steve's tested the water as you've just seen, and it appears to be okay. We certainly wouldn't have drunk it before. So, and all we're going to do is wash and shower and boil up vegetables in it, so it should be okay. Whilst he's filling up the tanks, I'm just doing a bit of hand washing. Might as well, whilst he's filling up the tanks, because I can actually use it. Normally speaking, I would have a shower, and so would he. But it's morning time, so sorry, hold on. Yeah, it's morning time, so we don't bother having a shower now. It's too damned hot. We just drip with sweat afterwards. Gus, don't you get off! And this is all part of the problem of living on board as well as doing the refit. You know, we've started some of the jobs, and whilst we're living on the boat, it is really, really difficult to do the jobs and live on the boat. And your day-to-day jobs, you know, like your washing and your washing up and your cooking, although we do have a communal area for cooking. And we do have a washing machine, but when you're only talking about, you know, a communal washing machine, but when you're only talking about half a dozen things, I'm not going to put those in there. And they're cotton items, so they're great to wear because they're cool. Living on this boat whilst all this work is being done and moving all these boxes every day is becoming quite hard. But we have a plan.
That's the shit that's come out of the boat. That's valuable shit. Okay, it's not all shit.
It's not valuable shit at all.
They're solar panels.
Yeah, I mean they're solar panels.
But we are hoping that we can repurpose it to somebody else, so that we're not actually putting it all back on the boat. So we're going for a streamlined, minimalist approach to the new...
We're going to have a racing snake.
Yeah, Cordelia 2.0 will be like a racing snake and will be minimalist. All I've got to do is convince Annette not to hoard shit. Come on, Bill.
Where were you? Wow, we're learning quite a bit about Rio Dolce. Love it here, absolutely love it. And tomorrow's Monday. We've got who is it? Who have we got coming tomorrow? Not Jose.
Yeah, Jose Monroy.
He's actually coming to start some woodwork on the boat. I think we said to you quite some time ago that we were going to get rid of this. I know I use it for working, but we've decided that we are going to get rid of it and have a sofa made there. So we need to take this down, and we'll keep it for a little while because we'll probably use the wood. Yeah, he comes in tomorrow, and this is where the new sofa's going. So it will also be a berth as well. It will eventually give us more storage as well. As well as having it screwed up, Steve had stuck it with Sikaflex because a long time ago we did used to have it out because just here we had a wood-burning stove when we lived in the really cold UK. Yeah, we had a wood-burning stove there, a Morso squirrel, and we took that off when we went sailing because we didn't think, well, we haven't needed it. It's gone, my workstation's gone. So the first week in the marina has been really busy. Join us in a couple of weeks when we give you a tour of Monkey Bay Marina and show you why we fell in love with this place long before we even arrived. Also to update you on the refit work and what new jobs we've started. Don't forget, if you want to watch our progress in the beautiful Rio Dolce, you can watch our episodes ad-free if you join our Patreon crew, and also you get extra content. It's not as costly as you might think. Ciao for now.
Meanwhile, there's a lot of sweat going on. This is 8 o'clock in the morning. 8 o'clock in the morning. I'm dripping.
You're glistening.
Looks like I'm an otter. I should be about 6 stone.
He's getting there, isn't he?
Tweet. Look at that.